to my channel. In this video I show you where to get Dunkin Donuts promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your mobile device or if you're on PC or laptop, and then head over to Google and type in Dunkin Donuts promo code. Then once you've done that, you've got a whole list of results here that will give you promo codes or discount codes for Dunkin Donuts. So the one I suggest is don'tpayfull.com. So it says if 30% off Dunkin Donuts coupon, promo codes March 2024, but the date would always change depending what time you're watching this video. So if you're watching this in August, it will be August, etc. So go ahead and click onto that link there. And just simply scroll down. And you've got a deal here, Dunkin Donuts products at 75% off or more on Amazon, or 20% off orders. So pick which one best suits your situation. So if you want 20% off orders, go ahead and click onto that. And now what you need to do is copy this code when you're at the checkout section of Dunkin Donuts. And then that 20% discount code will be applied. So you get 20% off that order. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.